show that the square of 995 is 990,025. I want to show this. Solution. Solution. Now, looking at the square of 995. The square of 995. This number is close to 1,000. And since this number is close to 1,000, we can write 995 as a function of 1,000. How do we do that? Looking at 1,000, what number are we going to take away from 1,000 to give us 995? That is 5. That is 1,000 minus 5 will give us 995. So this 995 square is same thing as 1,000 minus 5 square. Now, this is telling us that we have difference, the square of difference of two variables. So we are going to record the identity. Recall, a minus b raised to the power of 2 will give us what? A square minus 2 into a into b plus b squared. Now, what does that mean? It means that a is equal to what? Comparing this. A equals to what? 1,000 and b equals to 5. So from here we have the value as, now applying the formula, what do we have? A will be what? A is 1,000, then we have square minus 2 into 1,000. Then we have this, which is b into 5, then plus 5 square. What is 1,000 square? Then 1,000 square is what? We are going to have 6 zeros. That is 1 million. 6 0 after 1. So that's 1 million. So 1 million minus 2 times 1,000. That is 2,000. Then 2,000 times 5 will give us what? 10,000. 10,000. Then what is 5 square? 5 square is 25. So 1 million minus 10,000 will give us 990,000 plus 25. 1 million minus 10,000, that's 990,000, then plus this 25 we have here. So what do we have? 990,000 plus 25 will give us 990,025. That is the solution to the problem. Thank you.